dance resource for years 1 and 2 juniors, incorporating dance elements with alphabetical animal sounds. Here we go. A is for ant, crawling on the ground. B is for bird, flying all around. C is for cat, stalking its prey. D is for dog, jumping away. E is for elephants, marching through the town. F is for flies, buzzing all around. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Thank you.